The Great Northern Plains continues the lesson. The fertile land extending across the seven North Indian states forms the Great North Indian Plains. This extensive plain lies to the south of northern mountains. This plain is one of the most extensive stretches of the alluvium in the world and is deposited by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The length of the plain is about 2400 km and wide varies from 240 to 320 kilometers. The Barber Plains. The plain is made up of gravels and unsalted sediments deposited by the Himalayan rivers. The porosity of this plain is so high that most of the small streams flow over this region disappear. The Tarai track and followed by the Barber Plains. The Barber Plains are represent upland alluvial tracts of the Great Plains of the India formed by the older alluvium. Then the Khadar Plains. The Khadar new alluvium tracts along the courses of the river are known as the Khadar or bed lands. The Khadar tracts are enriched by the fresh deposit of silt every year during the rainy season. The Khadar land consists of sand, slate, clay and mud. It is highly fertile soil. Delta Plains. The deltaic plain is a extensive of the Khadar land. It covers about 1.9 lakh square kilometer in the lower reaches of this Ganga river. It is an area of deposition as the river flows in the track of the deltaic plain consists of mainly the peninsula plateaus. The plateau region lies in the south of Great Northern Plains. This is the largest physiographic divisions of our country. It covers an area about 16 lakh square kilometer. It is a old and rocky plateaus of this region. Alluvial track is the mark in the southern western boundary of the plateaus region. The northern and the northeastern boundaries are marked by the Bundelkhand upland. The peak of Anamudi is the highest point is the Peninsula Plateaus. Its height of 2.695 meters and is located at the Anamalai. The general slope of this plateau is towards the east. Deccan Plateaus. This physiographic division is the largest part of this plateau region of India. The shape of the plateau is roughly triangular shape. One side of the triangle is marked by the line joining the Kanyakumari with the Rajmahal Hills, and this line passes through the Eastern Ghats. The second arm is marked by the Satpura range. This is the important range in the Deccan Plateaus. This is next topic. We are going to see the next videos. Thank you, children. எடுத்துதான் தெரியல சார் ஐயோ கட்டாயி போச்சு